In this video, we will talk about how to remove Microsoft account from Windows 10. Click on the Start, Open Settings. Select Accounts. Click on Sign in with a local account instead. If you are confirmed about the account, then click Next. Enter your current PIN or password of your email account and click OK. Here, you can create a new local account by entering a username, new password, and confirmed password. And don't forget to enter your password hint. Afterwards, click Next. Click Sign Out and Finish. Now sign in using the new local account password. Here, you can see the Microsoft account has been successfully removed from the system, and all your files and data will remain safe and unchanged. So that's how you can remove Microsoft account from Windows 10. See you in the next video.